Stop. Don't translate. Don't think. Just listen and repeat after me. For the next 5 minutes, you're not memorizing English. You're learning how to speak naturally in a real bank. Relax your mind, listen carefully, and repeat every sentence with confidence. Every word you speak today will make your English stronger tomorrow. Stay with me until the end because today's lesson will prepare you for real-life conversations at the bank. Ready? Let's begin. Listen, then repeat. Good morning. Welcome to Citibank. Good morning. How can I help you today? I'd like to open a bank account. Certainly. Please come this way. Thank you. Is this your first visit? Yes, it is. Don't worry. I'll guide you through everything. Thank you. I really appreciate your help. Listen, then repeat. May I see your ID, please? Of course. Here it is. Thank you. Could you also fill out this form? Certainly. How long will it take? Only a few minutes. Great. Please check your information carefully. Everything looks correct. Perfect. Your application is almost complete. Listen, then repeat. What type of account would you like? I'd like a savings account. That's a good choice. Is there a monthly fee? No, there isn't. Can I use online banking? Yes. It's free and very easy to use. Wonderful. That sounds perfect. Thank you for explaining everything. Listen, then repeat. Congratulations. Your account is now open. Thank you very much. When will I receive my bank card? You'll receive it within 5 business days. Great. Can I use my account today? Yes. You can deposit and withdraw money immediately. That's excellent. I'm very happy. Thank you for your wonderful service. Listen, then repeat. I'd like to deposit some money. Certainly. How much would you like to deposit? I'd like to deposit $200. No problem. Please place the cash on the counter. Here you are. Thank you. Your deposit has been completed. Would you like a receipt? Yes, please. Thank you very much. Listen, then repeat. I'd like to withdraw some cash. Of course. How much would you like to withdraw? $100, please. Certainly. Please enter your PIN. Done. Here is your cash. Please count it carefully. Everything is correct. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Listen, then repeat. Could you tell me my account balance? Certainly. Your current balance is $1,200. Great. Can I print my statement? Yes. I'll print it for you now. Thank you. This information is very helpful. My pleasure. Have a nice day. Listen, then repeat. Everything was quick and easy. The staff were very friendly. I'm happy with the service. Now I know how to use my bank account. Thank you for answering my questions. You're always welcome. Have a wonderful day. You too. Goodbye. See you again soon. Excellent work. You completed today's bank English conversation. Every sentence you repeated made your English more natural. Remember, confidence grows with practice. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking English every day. Watch this lesson again tomorrow and speak a little louder than today. Before you leave, go to the comments and type just one word. Fluent. Let's see how many future fluent English speakers are watching today. I'll see you in the next shadowing English practice. Bye.